So I'm working on the Thicket Stitch, and it's a nice 1 row repeat, nice and dense, and very, very easy to do. It's a lovely stitch for working for blankets, cowls, or anything really, because anything where you don't want lots of holes in your crochet, a nice warm and dense stitch. Now I'm using a DK weight yarn. This is StyleCraft Special DK in the colour of Wisteria, and I'm using a 4.5mm crochet hook. But if you were to up the yarn and the hook size, it would take on a completely different look, which is the beauty of crochet. So with this particular stitch, it is very, very easy, and you're able to just switch off maybe and watch TV while you're making your project, which is a really good kind of stitch for that. It's also very, very nice on the edges. What do I mean? The edges are lovely and straight. The type of stitches that we're creating do make really, really good edges. I'll just finish this one off. I'm going to get in the 2 loops. It's hard to do when you're doing it on camera. When you're not, it's so easy. So have a little look and just see how straight these edges are. And part of that is the fact that I don't do turn-in chains. So if you're interested in my turn-in chain methods that I use, then I'll put a link in the description, not the description, but I'll put a link in the description box, but I'll also put a link at the end when the 4 videos come in, and I will maybe place a link up here for you to click on if you want to do that. I'll also put another link at the end in the description box and above to this actual stitch tutorial, because I do have full stitch tutorial with the stitch counts and everything that you'll need to know. So if you want that, I will put that up here right now. But it is such an easy stitch to work on, and I like the actual fabric that it creates. The stitch that it kind of has this lovely bobbly texture. I'm really enjoying working on this one, and I hope that you will too. So if you've not done so already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And if you could like, share and hype this video, it really does help my channel. So I have several no turn-in chain videos, one where it answers your questions, and one on a granny square and a willow square, how to kind of incorporate it into other stitches. So I will try my best to put as many of those at the end as I can. Whenever you see a right-handed tutorial, if the tutorial is not a compilation where it's on the same video, there will also be a left-handed version that is separate. So watch out for those if you do need to see the right-handed and you happen to be in the left-handed. There will be compilation videos for both. But if it's a standalone stitch tutorial, then they will be together. And the left-handed version will start when the right-handed one finishes, and there'll always be timestamps in the description box, which will allow chapters on the video edge. If you put your cursor there, you will see how to get to any section that you want, including the left-handed version. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye for now.